Step 8 in the home selling process is the final walkthrough. So this is an optional thing for the buyer, but within 5 days of our closing, the buyer is entitled to do a final walkthrough of the home. The goal of the final walkthrough is for them to walk through, get one last look at the home before closing, make sure that if there were any repairs that were agreed to, that those repairs have been completed, and also just make sure that the house hasn't fallen down a hill over the last few weeks. Our team will reach out, they'll coordinate this with you. Sometimes a buyer might actually request that you be home for these. A lot of buyers prefer the seller not be, so our team will let you know. Sometimes the buyer though does want you to be home. That way you can show them a few of the things around the house. Maybe if you got a pool, you show them how the pool panel works, or if there's an irrigation panel, you show them how that stuff works. So there's not, again, there's a lot of things here just kind of on a case-by-case basis. So our team will connect with you, let you know how the buyer wants to handle that part of it. It's always nice the buyers coming into their home that they're about to throw down a few $100,000, a few $1,000,000 on. Let's make the home look good if possible. So if you are still living in the home, maybe you've already moved out of it, but if you are still living in the home, let's make it look good like you would for any other buyer. We want that buyer to walk in there and feel good about it, as they're getting excited and getting ready to wire all their money to escrow and sign all their loan documents and stuff. So that's the final walkthrough. If there's any issues that do pop up or any repairs that haven't been completed, the buyer's just going to sign a little one-page form letting us know that, and we'll just make sure we work together with you to get those things handled. That is step 8 in the home selling process.